these chairs are scratching up my floor, so I'm gonna fix it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought these. They're little feet for chairs, stools, those types of things. I'm hoping that they'll work. You can see here, you get a whole mess of them in this bag, and basically they are just like silicone booties that you can put on the bottom of the chair. So these can stretch out and you can put them on the bottom of the leg. So they're kind of a universal fit. So whether you have round legs or square legs, which we'll try them both on, you know, they should kind of fit on there pretty tight. Now, obviously the bottom here is round, so that's kind of what they're made for. But then we also have this felt piece that is on the bottom. So hopefully that should help, you know, one, protect your floor, but also help protect your chairs and, you know, maybe keep them from scratching and maybe reduce the sound and the noise that they're making. I will say that the sides are pretty strong, but it's pretty thin. So it's kind of a nice little pairing. And then you might be able to see right there on the bottom, there are these little dimples on the bottom there. So I think it will help keep the booty from moving around on the chair too much. It'll kind of brace it against the bottom of the leg so that as you're sliding it around, hopefully they will stay in place. So let's see how hard it is to put them on and see if they work. Okay, so here is my stool, and you can see here the bottom is actually flared out quite a bit. So it's actually not going to be the right fit for the little cover here. So hopefully I'm going to try to just put it on and stretch this sucker out and see if we can get it to work. So I think the easiest way to do this is to kind of turn it inside out. You can see those little dimples right there, and put it on here and then pull the edge around and put it onto the leg. Okay, so I got it on. It's actually a pretty tight fit, and you can see there, this is obviously kind of like a translucent white, so it's pretty obvious that it's on the bottom. But if you have light colored furniture, it'll probably not show up as much. So let's just put on 3 more of these and see if it works. Cool. Got them all on. They may not be the most fashionable thing ever, but on the uneven stone floor like this, you can see this thing moves around now. I'm not scratching up at everything. Look at what it has done to the stone here. Just kind of continue to scratch it up. So pretty nice. This little addition to the chair is going to make it much less destructive, quieter, and protect everything, the floor and the stool. Hey, if you want to pick up this set, I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.